All right, so this is the instructions for the drum kit practice assignment. So again, very similar to the lesson and the previous practice assignment, right? The Vivaldi and the Kung Fu Panda characters. It's a program that works, right? There's a drum kit, you press the keys and it'll play the different drums. The code's working and everything's great. We're just going to use functions to make it more organized and more efficient. Okay, so if you get this, feel free to, like, shouldn't take you too long to get this assignment. Hopefully you're getting really comfortable with this. But it's an important concept for you to understand. So again, we're going to look at the code here. And in here, again, whenever I press a key, I check which key is it. And again, this function process key down, its job shouldn't be to do all of this and all of this. Its job is to only check what key was pressed, right? So all of this code should go in another function. Right, when I press the A key, it's going to play the clap sound, right? So I'm going to get the audio element with the ID clap. I'm going to set its current time to 0. I'm going to play it. And I also get the element with the ID A and add this playing class to it. And the playing class just gives it that, it makes it bigger and gives it this color. And then the idea is that there's a transition end. So when we add that stuff, it transitions, and then once the transition ends, we remove the playing class, so it goes back to normal. So it just flashes for a second there with the color and the bigger. Okay, and then we remove that class. So anyway, we don't need to worry about this at all in the assignment. Your assignment is to recognize that, hey, when it's key F, look, this code's very similar to when it's key G. So maybe I should put this inside of a function and reuse that function over and over again. And yeah, so that's the goal of this assignment. The program's currently working. It should still work by the end of your assignment, but you're going to use functions to increase the efficiency and organization of this program, right? So that this code here can be reused with the different sounds and with the different keys, right? Based on the key that was pressed. Okay. Hope that makes sense. All the best with writing your function, and we'll see you in the next video.